What is the biotechnology? Is it making a robotic ionic human? Well, actually, it is not quite so. Perhaps technology is the use of technique and science to make a product or modify process. Biotechnology is use of living organism aka bio to make a product or modify process. While microbiology is the study of tiny living thing. This tiny living thing is much smaller than spider, mosquito or ant. This tiny living thing is so small and only can be viewed through the microscope. Therefore, microbiotechnology is the application that uses microorganisms or plant and animal cells to create the useful products or process. The advancements of modern biotechnology, microbiometabolite and its genome is whole potentials to be exploited in the food processing especially, such in fermentation of food or beverage, in enzyme, agriculture, carbohydrates and so on. Industrial microbiology uses microorganisms typically grown in a large scale to produce products or carry out chemical transformation. Originated with alcoholic fermentation process, later on processes such as productions of pharmaceutical, food additive, enzyme, and chemicals were developed. Microbial culture can genetically improve using both traditional molecular approaches and improvement of bacteria, yeast, and also mold. So for the traditional fermentation, let's watch a video. As you guys can see in this short video that have been made showing the traditional fermentation food that have been widely used such as soy sauce, yogurt and also sauerkraut in the food industry fermentation. So what is the applications of microbial biotechnology in the food industry? First of all, enzyme in the dairy industry such as cheese. So let's check it out into this product. Lipase are produced by bacteria, fungi and also yeast. It mainly used for flavor development in the cheese product by lipolyze the milk fat. Mainly, it used the penicillium or Aspergillus niger in the cheddar cheese. Animal rennet is conventionally used as milk clothing agent in the dairy industry manufacture of quality cheese with a good flavor and texture, while the lysosome is act as control agent for lead blowing in cheese. Second, enzyme protease in meat, bread, and wine. Meat tenderization. Exogenous protease such as collagenase from thermophile protease from Bacillus strain are being used commercially to improve tenderness of the meat. In baking industry, protease has been used to degrade and decrease the gluten content in bakery production, which Aspergillus usami has been successfully used to improve the functional properties of the wheat gluten to generate a bread loaf with a better texture and crust color. Last but not least, in the beer formation, his formation is due to the proteinaceous substance in beer is also hydrolyzed by microbial protease, and acidic fungal protease is used in improving fermentation of the beer as they efficient even at low pH by balancing amino acid profile of beer. Conclusion: microbial biotechnology can save processing of the time and our energy. Therefore, fermentation also can give many benefits which include food security and improve its nutrient. Last but not least, it also helps food industry to produce on a large scale and easy to modify through various molecular and also biochemical approaches. That's all from me. Bye. Assalamualaikum.